Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving out of the Norman Manley International Airport. We are on Palisadoes Strip heading back towards Harborview. Now this road, the Palisadoes Strip, is the only road that you can take to get to or get out of the Norman Manley International Airport. On the left is the Kingston Harbor and on the right is the Caribbean Sea. So this strip of road is very, very important to the city of Kingston and to Jamaica, because if it should ever become impassable, persons will not be able to get to the airport. There is no ferry, there is no bridge, nothing. This is it. And the Norman Manley International Airport is one of 3 international airports in Jamaica. You have the Sangster International Airport, which is the largest airport in Jamaica. Then you have the Norman Manley International Airport. And then you have the Ian Fleming International Airport in Bosco Bell, St. Mary, just on the outskirts of Ocho Rios. Now, the Ian Fleming International Airport does not have a very long runway. It cannot land some of the larger planes because the runway is just not long enough. So if something were to ever happen to this road and you cannot get to the airport, the only other international airport that can land the large planes is the Sangster International Airport, and that is about a 3-hour drive from the city of Kingston. You have a lot of highways now, so you probably can 2.5 hours. But it's still a very far drive, and that's why this road is so important. And as you can see, it's well maintained. You don't see any potholes on it. On the left is the Kingston Harbor, so the water in that harbor will never rise to cover the road. On the right is the Caribbean Sea. Now the water over there will rise, and it has in the past, and cover the road, making it impassable until the water goes back down. So that's why they put up these rocks on the right to build up like a reef or a barrier to ensure the road does not get flooded. Now, since they have put up these rocks, the road has not been flooded to a point where it cannot be used. And just to give an example, there was a party held at a beach somewhere off this road. And of course, there's a lot of indiscipline on the roads in Jamaica. The police were unable to maintain law and order. The police were unable to keep the road clear. So the road became blocked and persons were not able to get to the airport. The road was impassable just because persons parked on the side of the road, and for some reason the police were not able to move the cars, were not able to get the people to move the cars, and they were not able to tow the cars. So the road was blocked for a few hours, and persons had to get out of their car and walk to the airport. Walk to the airport in order to get their flight. Some persons missed their flight. Some persons came into the country, landed, and were unable to leave the airport because the road was blocked. So that's just an example of what can happen if this road is blocked. And the airport, it brings in billions of dollars every year to the Jamaican government in taxes, whatever. It's an economic source of revenue for Jamaica. So the road needs to be clear. But I haven't heard of any instances of the road being blocked since then. I don't think they allow parties to be held anywhere off this road. Alright, so we're now heading to the Harborview roundabout. And they have a very nice boardwalk built on the left, on the side with the Kingston Harbor. And persons go walking, jogging, and go fishing. There's parking. There's space for parking so persons can park up and go fishing. It's very nicely. The project was very nicely done by the government. Not sure which government, whichever one was in power when this road was renovated. And it was a very nice idea, and a lot of persons use the boardwalk to walk and for entertainment and recreation. And they recently built a similar boardwalk on Port Royal Street in downtown Kingston, and they're hoping that persons will use that boardwalk like they use this one. And also, when visitors come into the country or Jamaicans return home, this is the road they're going to see when they leave the airport. So it's nice that they fixed up the area so you have a very nice view of the Kingston Harbour. It was very nicely done. Alright, we're now at the roundabout with Harbour View. This is a Harbour View roundabout. So if we go left where those cars are going, that's the Sir Florizel Glassbowl Highway. If we go straight across the roundabout, we're going to Harbour View, and if we go right, we go head out of Kingston head towards the Harbour View Bridge, and that takes us to the St. Thomas area. So that's where we're heading today. This is also the Harbour View area, and there was a very popular drive-in back in the day called the Harbour View Drive-In, and this is the road you would take to get to it. The drive-in no longer operates because it was built along the sea, and I think the sea eroded a part of the property. But drive-ins they had their run in Jamaica, but they weren't as popular when these cinemas opened up with surround sound and those kind of things. So this is the Harbour View Bridge. Now they're building a bridge in Maypen, the Rio Mino Bridge, and the NWA, who is in charge of all the bridges in Jamaica, say the Rio Mino Bridge is going to be the widest bridge in Jamaica. But some persons, we have videos up of the bridge, and the structure is up. A lot of persons say the Harbour View Bridge looks wider than the Rio Mino Bridge, but NWA, they should know, they are in charge of all the bridges in Jamaica. So let's wait and see. But that's the Harbour View Bridge we just passed. Alright, so on the right now is where the drive-in used to be. You can see that was where you can see the stands where the screen used to be, but it no longer operates as a drive-in. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.